Hello everyone. Semester 5 English Honors Unit 1 Historical Overview of the Period के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। चलिए, सबसे पहला हमारा टॉपिक आता है रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड। उनसे पहले कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को पढ़ते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड इन इंग्लैंड बिगेन इन 1660. The restoration refers to the return of which king to the throne? Charles II. The restoration ended the rule of Oliver Cromwell. During Puritan rule, which activity was banned? Theatre performance. Restoration drama is famous for comedy of manners. Restoration literature mainly reflects upper class society. The reopening of theatres took place in 1660. Restoration drama often focuses on social manners. अब हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक आता है ग्लोरियस रिवॉल्यूशन. The Glorious Revolution occurred in 1688. The king removed during the Glorious Revolution was James II. The Glorious Revolution brought which rulers to the throne? William III and Mary II. The Glorious Revolution is called glorious because it had very little bloodshed. After the Glorious Revolution, England became a constitutional monarchy. The document that limited the power of the king in 1689 was Bill of Rights. The Glorious Revolution strengthened the power of Parliament. Next topic है हमारा Neoclassicism. Neoclassicism means revival of classical ideals. Neoclassicism was inspired by the literature of Greece and Rome. The word neo means new. Neoclassical writers valued reason. Neoclassical literature emphasized balance and order. Neoclassical writers admired classical writers such as Homer, Virgil, Horace. A popular literary device used by neoclassical writers was satire. Neoclassical literature focuses on rational thinking. Neoclassicism dominated literature mainly during 17th and 18th centuries. अब है टॉपिक Enlightenment. The Enlightenment is also called Age of Reason. The Enlightenment emphasized reason and knowledge. The Enlightenment mainly took place in 18th century. Enlightenment thinkers encouraged people to question authority. The Enlightenment promoted education. Enlightenment thinkers believed in scientific inquiry. अब टॉपिक आता है लिटरेरी एंड सोसाइटी का. लिटरेचर ऑफ द 18th century focused on reason and society. Enlightenment ideas influenced politics, education, literature. Neoclassical literature is known for rational essays. Satire is used to criticize society humorously. Comedy of manners deals with social behavior of the upper class. Last topic हमारा general knowledge of the period. The 18th century is known for intellectual development, scientific progress, rational thinking. Enlightenment thinkers believed that knowledge leads to progress. The Enlightenment encouraged a freedom of fight. Neoclassical writers preferred simple and clear language. The Enlightenment supported scientific discoveries. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, रेस्टोरेशन लिटरेचर ऑफन रिफ्लेक्ट्स कोर्ट लाइफ एंड सोशल मैनर्स. द एनलाइटनमेंट इनकरेज्ड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. द ग्लोरियस रिवॉल्यूशन एस्टैब्लिश्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की. नियोक्लासिकल लिटरेचर वैल्यूज डिसिप्लिन. एनलाइटनमेंट थिंकर्स बिलीव दैट सोसाइटी कुड इम्प्रूव थ्रू साइंस एंड एजुकेशन. द रेस्टोरेशन मार्क्ड द रिवाइवल ऑफ ड्रामा. Enlightenment literature mainly focused on social reform. Neoclassicism rejected extreme emotion and imagination. The Enlightenment emphasized reason, knowledge, education. The Restoration, Glorious Revolution, Neoclassicism and Enlightenment together shaped 18th century English literature. That's all. तो ये थे हमारे यूनिट 1 सेमेस्टर 5 इंग्लिश ऑनर्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और MCQs. पिछले वीडियो में हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ा था. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग यूनिट 2 का एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ेंगे. तब तक के लिए स्टडी विद स्माइल.